Hi, welcome to the All Cases here. In this video we are going to talk about the 20 must-have accessories for Samsung Z Flip 4 or Fold 4 in 2022 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Samsung's revolutionary folding smartphone finally released its fourth version. Featuring two AMOLED panels, a powerful rear camera, S Pen support, and a better hinge mechanism, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 are premium folding smartphones. The new models are relatively lighter and more svelte than previous models. There is nothing like the ultra-premium feel of this expensive smartphone when it comes to the quality of the experience it provides. It does not come with a plethora of extras like any other modern smartphone, however. For all of its foldable luxury features to be available to you, you'll need to select a few essential accessories for your Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4. However, the Fold 4 is a difficult phone that requires add-ons with the utmost design refinement, so it can be difficult to select the right accessories. Because we have already compiled a comprehensive list of the best Galaxy Fold or Flip 4 accessories, you won't have to waste much time or effort. The best Fold or Flip 4 accessories are revealed in this video, including cases, fast chargers, headphones, and DeX accessories. Check out this compilation, choose your favorites, and come back for more. So let's begin. 20:MD hot car charger mount. Do you still use your smartphone while driving to search for directions? We've handpicked a dependable and useful accessory for your foldable even if it's challenging to find a wireless car charger for the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Get this wireless car charger for a convenient and safe driving experience. You can comfortably handle your Galaxy Z Fold 4 and other large screen devices with its extra broad base and clip. Even on rocky roads and in tight turns, the charger firmly holds your phone in place. This wireless charger is simple to mount on dashboards, windows, and air vents. Simply click the charger's button, and it will automatically clamp around your Fold 4 and wirelessly charge it up to 15 watts when it detects your phone inside. The anti-slip and shock-absorbing pads on the clips guard against scratching of your devices and air vents. 19:OCase Folio Flip 4 case. Due to its superior thin leather and skilled craftsmanship, this Galaxy Z Flip 4 case is exceptionally strong and can shield your device from surface scratches, drops, and dents. The fibers are kept strong by the natural surface texture, which also gives off a relaxing and opulent tactile sensation. All of the button functionality and cutouts are in their right places, and there is enough of room around the cutouts for simple connection and photography. The Samsung Z Flip 4 5G case offers the best wireless charging performance as well as supporting both charging methods. 18:Spigen 65-watt car charger. If you need to charge your Galaxy Z Fold 4 while you're on the go, a car charger is a need. Simply pick up this USB-C charger for the Fold or Flip 4 and you may recharge your smartphone while commuting to an early morning appointment or returning from work late with a dead battery. With its 45 watts and 20 watts USB-C ports, this car charger can simultaneously recharge two Type-C devices. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 can be charged with the 20 watts port, but your Galaxy tablets, laptops, and other power-hungry devices can all be charged with the 45 watts USB-C port. As a result, you may recharge your personal and business devices or keep your Fold 4 and Galaxy Tab prepared for a presentation that's coming up. Nevertheless, PPS charging is not supported by this charger. The battery's charging time cannot be optimized by automatically changing the current and voltage. 17:Sony WH-1000XM5. These noise-canceling headphones from Sony will capture your interest if you favor over-the-ear headphones and are seeking for something as high-end as your foldable smartphone. This Galaxy Z Fold 4 attachment, which boasts a stylish and high-end design, is created to be excellent in every way. The headphones have outstanding sound quality, a comfortable fit, and a playback time of up to 30 hours. The best feature of this Galaxy Z Fold 4 music attachment is that it continuously scans your surroundings and adjusts the ANC to automatically filter out all the noise, filling your ears with clear, crisp sound. When you utilize the Speak to Chat feature, the music is immediately paused. Additionally, you may take critical business calls while wearing the headphones thanks to the quick attention mode with integrated mics. It's important to note that the new Sony XM5 headphones lack the travel-friendly style of their predecessor, the XM4 model. The foldable form of the Sony XM4 makes it incredibly simple to transport them within a backpack or travel bag. 16. GameSir X2 Bluetooth Gaming Controller. This Galaxy Fold 4 accessory should be at the top of your list if you enjoy playing games on your phone. Despite the difficulties of the Galaxy Z Fold 4, we were able to handpick a great Bluetooth game controller that transforms your folding smartphone into a handheld gaming console. It has a flat-edged design with clamps that can easily accommodate a Galaxy Fold 4 and provides a pleasant grip. With the help of this adapter, you can utilize the huge internal display on your foldable, which is packed with powerful features including a 120Hz refresh rate. You never have to worry about your foldable overheating during those lengthy, intense battles thanks to the air conditioning design. The next one is Caseology Nano Pop Flip 4. Caseology's silicone case is quite eye-catching. As a result, the name. There are a couple of different hues to choose from. This case provides a lot of grip, so you can easily keep your device in place. Made of TPU and polycarbonate for double protection. With the Caseology Nano Pop case on the Galaxy Z Flip 4, you can keep your phone protected. Caseology's Nano Pop silicone case is a stunning two-color choice if you prefer something eye-catching. You can choose from 3 colors for this case: light violet, burgundy bean, and blueberry navy. Due to the complementarity between the secondary color and the primary color, the case stands out. This case, however, combines TPU and polycarbonate for dual protection against scratches. Moreover, it offers military-grade security, a firm grip, and wireless charging. 14 Ringke Slim Fold 4 case. The popular Ringke Slim case is available for all phones, and the Galaxy Z Fold 4 now has one as well. With the help of this transparent case, which Ringke claims is comprised of anti-yellowing material, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will keep its beautiful looks. It should so continue to appear well, which is always beneficial. If you enjoy Ringke, here is one of their simple cases. Since yellowing frequently happens in less costly transparent cases, it is composed of polycarbonate that has been treated to prevent it. It is also very thin and light, weighing in at just 14.8 grams and 1.2 millimeters. 13 Samsung Galaxy S Pen. Unfortunately, Samsung doesn't include an S Pen with their opulent $1,799 foldable smartphone. Having said that, it's an excellent Galaxy Z Fold 4 accessory that allows you to accomplish a lot of things, including edit images, draw designs on a large screen, do fast errands, sign PDFs, and take crucial notes during meetings. Therefore, it makes sense to spend money on an S Pen. This official Galaxy Z Fold 4 attachment will offer you the feeling and comfort of writing with a genuine pen, thanks to its 1.5mm pen tip. Additionally, because this S Pen was designed specifically for the Galaxy Fold Edition, you can quickly access tools like Smart Write and Live Message to speed up your workflow by opening the Air command menu. To ensure that your stylus is always accessible and secure, grab a compatible phone case when you decide to purchase an S Pen. The next one is Spigen Kuel S40 car mount. It almost even resembles a car mount, yet it is among the most intriguing looking auto mounts now on the market. The Spigen Kuel S40 stealth car mount is available for those who would like not to use magnets. This automobile mount may be folded down when not in use. You just need to open it up, mount your phone in landscape mode, and you're good to go. It's a nice alternative because it's a reasonable size and doesn't greatly block your view of the road when it's not in use. Spigen offers the Kuel S40 stealth car mount in just one color, which, due to its black and blue color, might blend in a little more with your car. 11. And Spigen Tough Armor Flip 4 cases. The Tough Armor case from Spigen is again another superb product. This extra protective case is only offered in black, but it has a cool textured look adjacent to the camera bump and screen's outside corners that gives it a little of visual flair. New foam technology gives it an additional layer of shock protection. Thanks to its TPU and polycarbonate design, the Tough Armor Z Flip 4 case provides twofold protection for your new phone against drops and scratches. That's not all, though. This case is military-grade safe and offers anti-shock protection, thanks to air cushion technology. The next one is Spigen Air Skin Fold 4 case. The new Air Skin is incredibly light and thin. In addition to protecting the front display and camera sensors from drops and shocks, it provides great all-around protection. It is one of the list's slimmest cases and doesn't greatly expand the Galaxy Fold 4's size. The Air Skin case from Spigen combines protection and simplicity. This is a thin, protective case for the Galaxy Z Fold 4 5G that is composed of hardy TPU, has a durable polycarbonate display, and is fingerprint resistant. 9. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. The largest smartwatch made by the business to date is the 45mm Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Additionally, it is the strongest and most durable. It's made for folks who spend a lot of time outside, like runners and campers. It also includes a battery that is the biggest of any Galaxy smartwatch ever and should last for roughly 80 hours. Soon, Garmin watches will theoretically compete with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. With features created with outdoor sports enthusiasts in mind, the 5 Pro, the first Galaxy watch of its kind, aims to rank among the best GPS watches. Compared to the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro boasts a more durable build, particular GPS tools, and a longer battery life. With an 80-hour battery life rating, it has a battery life that is over twice as long as the Galaxy Watch 5's average battery life and has a far longer battery life than earlier Samsung wearables. 8. Samsung Silicone Flip 4 case with strap. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 silicone cover with strap is your second best choice, coming in right after the Ring edition. The other Samsung cover has the same silicone foundation and protection, but a strap is utilized in its place of the Ring. The Ring is a lot more adjustable and the colors aren't as vivid, so the strap is also quite useful for giving extra grip. Your phone is protected by the fashionable and sturdy Galaxy Z Flip 4 silicone cover with strap. It is constructed of silicone to avoid bumps and scratches and features a strap on the back to keep your phone firmly in your palm. The next one is IMBZBK Flip 4 clear case with protector. The IMBZBK case supports wireless charging. You can put it in and take it out of your pockets with ease because to its slim fit and ergonomic grip design. And the ease of texting, gaming, and taking pictures with one hand gives you the confidence to handle. The Z Flip 4's screen protector is constructed of superior thermoplastic polyurethane, TPU, a flexible material that can cover the entire screen and offer the highest level of scratch protection, rather than tempered glass. Nano elastic is used to stop screen breaking from drops. Small scratches and air bubbles can be automatically mended within 24 hours thanks to the use of a high permeability adhesive with strong stickiness. The next one is Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. The Galaxy Watch 5 is building up to be a terrific smartwatch that might be a great choice for individuals who aren't scared off by Samsung's larger wearables' imposing size, even though it isn't as eye-catching as its Pro sister. Overall, the Z Flip 4 and Z Fold 4 and the Watch 5 feel like a small refresh of the wearable lineup, and Samsung is certainly pleased with the synergy of hardware and software capabilities. The Galaxy Watch 5 actually only represents a slight improvement to the Galaxy Watch 4 generation from a year ago, which included the updated Wear OS platform that was jointly developed by Samsung and Google. A sapphire crystal screen, a larger battery, and a ton of new software capabilities have been added to the base Galaxy Watch 5. These modifications are subtle yet substantial. Overall, the Z Flip 4 and Z Fold 4 and the Watch 5 feel like a small refresh of the wearable lineup, and Samsung is certainly pleased with the synergy of hardware and software capabilities. 5. Spigen Fold 4 Screen Protector, GlastR Easy Fit for an easy front screen installation. An auto alignment installation kit is provided. Use tempered glass with a 9H hardness grade to shield your front screen. When folded, film protected hinges. Every day, the oleophobic layer prevents fingerprints from appearing. High clarity is maintained while the screen's natural brightness is retained. Designed to be compatible with Galaxy Z Fold 4 cases from Spigen. The next one is an AACL Tempered Glass Fold 4. There are many accessories, including as screen wipes and cleaning cloths, included with the Galaxy Z Fold 4 screen protector from AACL. 2 glass camera unit shields and 3 tempered glass screen protectors make up the bulk of the package. We appreciate that the AACL cover display protector does not have a cutout because it will help to prevent dust buildup. Give you a screen protector and a lens protector for your camera that are constructed of the best 9H tempered glass that is now obtainable to shield them from light drops, unintended bumps, and normal wear and tear. The next one is Unique Me Fold 4 Screen Protector. You're not satisfied with plastic film, do you? It will function with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 tempered glass from Unique Me. Due to its flexibility, the folding screen can only have glass mounted to the external display. You receive 2 camera lens glass guards and 3 dependable tempered glass front screen protectors in this 5-piece package. Unique Me includes 2 tempered glass front screen covers and 3 camera lens shields in one box. The special dual screen coating prevents sweat and fingerprint stains. Touching the 2.5D rounded corner design edge feels nice. The included camera lens cover allows nearly 100% of light to flow through, preserving the original high definition of pictures and movies. 2. Spigen Slim Armor Pro Fold 4 Case. Unlocking the full Galaxy Z Fold 4 experience is Slim Armor Pro. We created a unique sliding technology for the hinge so that it is always semi-automatic, both when it is open and closed. For optimal shock absorption without sacrificing style, Slim Armor Pro has 2 layers, one of which is impact foam. Enhance the luxury feel of the Galaxy Z Fold 4. With modern edge protection technology, the hinge is always protected. Complete protection is provided by air cushion technology and dual levels of defense. There is an additional layer of shock resistance thanks to new foam technology. Open buttons with a high-quality finish and quick access will enhance the user experience. 1. Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. We advise investing in a decent set of ANC earphones if you enjoy listening to music or binge-watching Netflix shows and movies in bed at night. Your encounter will be more delightful, and you'll feel calmer knowing that no one will be disturbed. The Galaxy Buds are a match made in heaven when it comes to the best earbuds for the Galaxy Z Fold and Flip 4. The Galaxy Buds Pro 2 sync easily with your foldable smartphone and effectively cancel out background noise so you can enjoy pure music even while you're traveling or your brother is using his phone to watch videos. These wireless earbuds for the Galaxy Z Fold or Flip 4 have some of the greatest sounds and deepest tones on the market right now, which will please you. So guys, this was the video about the best accessories for Samsung Z Flip 4 or Fold 4. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.